Today we're making spicy Brazilian coconut chicken. Things you're going to be needing: 4 teaspoons canola oil, 4 cups garlic minced or chopped, half teaspoon ground cumin powder, half teaspoon cayenne pepper, that's my cayenne pepper, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander, 1.5 pound boneless chicken breast, 1 jalapeno chili pepper seeded and roughly chopped, 1/3 cup of peeled and thinly sliced ginger, 1 cup fresh cilantro leaves plus additional for garnishing, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 1 small whole onion chopped, 1 can or jarred tomato, unsalted tomato diced. That's my diced unsalted tomatoes. Half cup chicken broth, and that's my chicken broth. 1 cup coconut milk, and that's my coconut milk. And 3 tablespoons unsweetened coconut flakes, and that's my coconut flakes, unsweetened. Okay, we ready to do a mix in a large bowl. We're gonna go ahead and mix our oil, our canola oil. I'm gonna combine our garlic, 2 teaspoons garlic to our oil, just 2 teaspoons of that, and our cumin and our cayenne pepper, turmeric powder, and our coriander. And mix this together, and after you stir mix, we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken to our mix here. Okay, once our chicken all coated, we're gonna go ahead and set it aside, let it marinate for 30 minutes. Okay, we're ready to do step 2. In our mixer, we're gonna go ahead and add our ginger, chili, just half of our cilantro, and our garlic, rest of our garlic, 2 cups of garlic. Go ahead and mix all this together. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add our lemon juice to our mix here and keep on mixing until we get a clear paste. Okay, our 30 minutes up, our chicken all marinated. Now we're ready to fix our chicken. In a large skillet, go ahead and add your chicken in a medium-high heat. Cook for about 6 minutes, turning 1 time. Okay, give it 6 minutes one side, so I'm going to turn once only. And the other side done. So our chicken's done, so we're going to go ahead and take it out from the skillet, place it in a plate here. Alright, we remove our chicken from our skillet. Now we're going to add our onions to our skillet here. Cook for about 5 minutes until softened and lightly brown. Yeah, onions coming out really good, turning brown. Now we're going to go ahead and add our mixture from the food processor. Our ginger and the mix all together to onions. And cook for another 2 minutes. So once your onions done, turn off our stove. Now I'm going to transfer our onions back to the food processor. To a mixer again. Go ahead and add our tomatoes to a mixer here. Go ahead and add your chicken broth to your tomatoes and blend until it becomes really smooth. Okay, once you blended your mixer, go ahead and return your mixer to your skillet. Medium heat, go ahead and add rest of your tomatoes to it. We have a blended mixture here plus our tomatoes under medium heat. Your sauce start getting ready. Go ahead and place your chicken back on your sauce here. Go ahead and cover your chicken and simmer for about 15 minutes. Okay, my chicken's coming out really good. Make sure your chicken's well done, no longer pink inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my coconut cream, coconut milk to my chicken here. And I'm going to reduce heat and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Simmer until your sauce gets thickened, then you're ready to serve. garnish with shredded coconut and cilantro. And here we have spicy Brazilian coconut chicken. I garnish with cilantro on the side and some coconut flakes. Plus I'm serving over brown rice with black beans. Come out really, really good. Delicious looking. Nice thick gravy with tomatoes. Okay, thank you very much for watching.